The Bozzini Hysteroscopy Basic is the perfect hysteroscopy simulator for medical device companies and simulation centres who already have access to the requisite hysteroscopy imaging systems, but still want to take advantage of the Innovus uterine models, which offer extremely close-to-life simulated hysteroscopy training. The simulator itself comes with the uterus retaining jig. It also comes with 5 of our wet lab uterus models, each of which contain 8 to 10 polyps, all of which are compatible with electrosurgery devices or energy devices and morcellators, as well as cold cutting instruments, providing the closest to life, high volume, affordable hysteroscopy training. The simulator also comes with our drip tray and mounting system, which allows us to capture any of the irrigation fluids whilst the product is used in wet lab mode. The wet lab uterus models are placed in a retaining jig. Once in the jig, the uterus is orientated in an anteverted position. It can also be unhooked and tucked down the back in a retroverted position. The uterus models allow us to carry out closest to life simulated hysteroscopy training. The inbuilt polyps are made from a proprietary water-based substrate. The polyps are ideal for delivering high volume simulation lab-based training and work perfectly when under irrigation. These parts are delivered in a nice compact padded carry case, allowing the product to be easily transported between training scenarios, conferences and hospitals for product demonstration.